Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Maths with Khadar Sir. As you all know, we completed the problem 1 of chapter 1 of exercise 1.1, the chapter sets of class 11. So in this video, we are going to do the problem 2 and problem 3 of exercise 1.1, chapter 1 sets of class 11 NCERT CBSE. Now, here the second problem is C. Let A is equals to a set and the elements of the set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the given set and this set is denoted by A. And the question is insert the appropriate symbol, and I said no, this one is belongs to or this one is does not belongs to. So insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blanks or spaces. So here they gave a set and the set is denoted by A, and the elements of the set are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma and 6. So these are the only elements of this set A. Now the question is asking us whether the given numbers are belongs to this set or not. So the first one they given 5 dash set A. This is what set A. This is a set. So in this given set, see 5 is here. Yes, 5 is here. That means 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to A. So here 8 is here. Is 8 is in this given set is there? No. So 8 does not belongs to the set A. Now 0. Is 0 belongs to the given set A? 0 also not there in the given set. So that 0 also does not belongs to set A. Now here they given 4. Is 4 in the given set? Yes. That means this is belongs to A. Next 2. 2 is also belongs to set A. Next 10. Is 10 is the element of the set A? No. So 10 does not belongs to A. So this is how we have to fill the blanks by seeing the sets. Whether the given numbers are the elements of the given set or not, we have to check, we have to recognize, and we have to keep the spaces with appropriate symbols whenever, wherever they give like this sums. So next one is third problem. What is third problem? Yes, here is the problem 3. What is that? Write the following sets in roster form. Write the following sets in roster form. As we learn what is a roster form in the session 1, in the introduction sets or in the introduction video of sets, we learn what is roster method and what is set builder method. So here they given set builder method and they are asking us to write the given sets in roster form. So we know roster form is nothing but writing the elements by separating the elements with a comma and enclosing with the braces. So nothing but here they said, here they representing the elements of the sets with x. So for all x such that x is an integer and x x what is that, from -3 to 7 only. What is that? X is -3 less than or equal to x and less than or equals to 7. That means the range of integers between -3 to and -7. So first of all tell me what are the elements of this set. We know that the set is integer. The set is integer. So what are the integers from where to where? From -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements. These are the elements of the required set. Now we know how to write the roster form. Nothing but by separating the elements by keeping commas and enclosing by the braces. So here our set is, these are what, integers. So take I is equals to minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 and 7. 6 and sorry, up to 6 only. Why? Because less than 7, less than 7. So here also minus 2, from minus 2, less than minus 3 now. So minus 2, from minus 2 to minus 6. So this is the roster form of the given set. This is the roster form of the given set. Now next problem, what is that? Next problem, what is that? Set B, the set B that is represented by set B, that is represented with B. So the given set is, second problem is set B x such that x is an natural number. Natural number and less than 6. Less than 6. So here the elements of the sets are represented by the letter x, small x, and telling that are natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Nothing but the counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. But the natural numbers should be less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So these are the required elements that to form the roster form. So these are the required elements. What is the condition of roster form? Nothing but by keeping commas in between the elements, or by separating the elements by keeping commas and enclosing with braces. So these are the required elements to form roster form. First, enclosing by the braces, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and this is set B. So this is the required set in the roster form. This is problem 2. Now what is problem 3? What is problem 3? Problem 3 is x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Sum of its digit is 8. See here, third one, and this set is denoted by C. X such that x is a 2-digit number. X such that x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. See what they said? They said for all x such that x is a 2-digit number. So the elements in this set are 2-digit numbers. For example, see here, 12, 24, 64. See, these are what numbers? 2-digit numbers. So like this, in the for this set builder form, we have to form roster form having the elements with 2 digits. So here for all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. What does it mean? Nothing but what elements we are searching for, or what elements we are required. If you add that 2 digits, for example, here we have 2 digits. When you add these 2 digits, we are getting 8, means that is the correct element. So nothing but first write the combinations of 8. What are the combinations of 8? 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. That means this is one combination. Next, 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. 0 plus 8 is equals to 8. 0 plus 8 is equals to 8. Now see, here these are all combinations of 8. Now come to our question. For all x such that x is a two-digit natural number, two-digit natural number, two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Now see, here we have two digits 17, here we have 2 6, 26, here we have 3 5, 35, next here 44, here 53, 62, 71, 80, but not 0 and 8. Why? If you write 0 and 8, it is only 8 because there is no value of 0 when you write that 0 to the left of the any number. So this is not the combination of sorry, that is combination of 8, but that is not enough. That is not enough for our condition. So what are the digits? What are the two-digit numbers we got? What are the two-digit numbers we got? These. So these are the elements of the given set. These are the required elements of the given set. So right, given set is C. So how to write the roster form? Nothing but by separating the elements by keeping comma and enclosing by the braces. So now write first bracket 17 comma 26 comma 35 comma 44 comma 53 62 71 80. So this is the roster form of the given set. This is the roster form of the given question. Now next let us see the fourth question. What is the fourth question? The fourth question is x such that x, for all x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60, which is divisor of 60. So here see, so here, sorry, and the set is divided by the x such that x is an a prime number, a prime number which is divisors of 60. So here we require one set, some elements we need to form to write the roster form. So what is that? For all x such that x is a prime number which is divisors of 60. So divisors of 60 means the factors of 60. So write the factors of 60. 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 4 is the factor, 5 is the factor, 6 is the factor, next 10 is the factor, no 11, 12 is the factor, 15 is the factor, 16, 17, no, 20 and 30 and 60. So these are the divisors of 60. When you divide 60 with this number, you will get remainder 0. So that means these are the divisors. So here in these divisors, which are the prime numbers? Which are the prime numbers? 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 5 is the prime number, enough. These are the prime numbers we have. Now these are the required elements. These are the required elements for the given question. So now roster form, we know that separated by commas and enclosing by the brackets. So this is the roster form. This is how you have to write the roster form when they give elements or when they ask us to find the elements by giving like set builder form, or directly if they are giving elements, you have to just write the roster form by keeping commas in between the elements or separating the elements by keeping commas and enclosing that elements with braces. This is the way of writing roster form. I hope you people like this video. I hope you people got the content of this video. If you found this video helpful, share our videos with your friends, with your classmates, with your benchmates, with your besties to help them also. Until the next video, stay tuned to our channel, Maths with Khadar Sir. Thank you so much. Signing off, Maths with Khadar Sir.